So the Harvest Watermate comes in two different versions. We've got the mains powered one and the solar powered one. Normally the solar powered system has got a battery built in, but you can get a variant of this which lets you use your own external power supply. So if you've got your own off-grid setup, that's great. Or what you can do is you can add a separate battery and a separate large solar panel to give it more watering capacity. What we've got here is a 30-watt solar panel, and this will put out at peak power, it says about 1.6 amps. Normally the Watermate comes with a 10-watt solar panel. What I've got here is a 12-volt 7 amp hour lead acid battery. The lithium ion that comes in the solar Watermate is just under 3 amp hour, so this is pretty much 2 and a bit times longer life than the battery inside the box. When you buy a solar panel online, you can also get a little charge controller. And what that does is it turns the 21 odd volts from the solar panel into the right voltage needed for charging your battery. So this guy has been pre-configured by us at Harvest, so it doesn't have a battery inside. What we do is we'll ship you a little power cord, and that is what you connect to your power system. What we'll do here is we'll just plug it into my 12-volt battery. You've got your solar panel into your charge controller, and then your charge controller charges up your battery bank. So this is quite a small battery bank. You could have something that's much, much larger if you need. That will charge up and it will run your Watermate. As long as you're using a 12-volt input, then there's no danger of damaging the control unit. So you could have 20 car batteries, and as long as they're set up in parallel, then you're not going to have more than about 14 and a half volts coming into the control.